Hello, my name is Randy Mansfield with the Continental Tool Group. I'd like to introduce to you the UT8724-20. It continues the high-end legacy of the Universal Tool Precision series. It has a 0.45 horsepower oil-free motor that runs at 20,000 RPM, preventing stall under load and eliminating oil contamination. At 1.2 pounds and 6.5 inches long, it's compact yet powerful. Featuring a 1/4 inch precision 3-piece collet and machined carbon fiber blades, it's engineered for continuous aerospace and fabrication use. Heavy-duty spiral bevel gears provide strong performance with extended life. The UT8724-20 is Boeing certified, giving you absolute confidence in high-stakes environments.